Introduction. Language is mainly composed of letters which stand for signs and sound. These letters in a language are totally created as the alphabet of the language. In order to speak, read, and write Igbo language correctly, it is important that you know the 36 Igbo alphabet. The 36 Igbo alphabet is called Mkpụrụ Edemede or Abịdịị. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, B, B, G, G, Gwe, Gwe, He, He, E, 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 J, J, K, K, B, B, We, We, Le, Le, Me, 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 Nye, Nye, Mwe, Mwe, Nye, Nye, O, P, P, Re, Re, C, C, Sh, Sh, T, T, O, U, V, V, We, Nye, Nye, Z, Z. Remember that the best way to read, write, and speak Igbo language is by practice, practice, practice. Keep practicing and soon you will perfect it. In order to make this lesson better and easier for you, I will give you another way of mastering the Igbo alphabet using a song. In the next video, I will give you how to read the Igbo alphabet using a very simple and interesting song.